In this video I will discuss DIY bodyweight workout plan, expert tips and strategies. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a special focus on DIY bodyweight workouts. We've got some expert tips and strategies to help you build a robust, customized workout plan, all from the comfort of your home. First up, let's talk about the importance of variety in your workout routine. By incorporating different exercises, targeting different muscle groups, you can ensure a balanced workout and prevent injury. So, get ready to switch it up. Next, let's talk about progression. If you're doing the same exercises for extended periods, your body may adapt and plateau. This is where progression comes in. Keep challenging yourself by adding reps or sets to your routine, or increasing the intensity gradually. Remember, if you don't push yourself, you won't achieve results. Now for those advanced athletes out there, remember that rest is just as important as exercise itself. Overtraining can lead to injuries and burnout. Take time to recover between sessions and incorporate rest days into your routine. Your body will thank you for it. Lastly, consistency is key. Stick to your plan, and you'll see results in no time. And if you ever need a bit of inspiration or motivation, well, we're here for you. So there it is, our top tips for creating a DIY bodyweight workout plan that will help you stay fit and healthy at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fitness insights and advice. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep making those fitness gains. Until next time, remember your body is your temple.